one exhaust. Oh. Old, new, old. Yeah. I think I'm bleeding some. Ah, there it is. See how loud it was. There's lots of blood, apparently. Oh no. So quiet. I've put a glove on because I'm bleeding quite a lot and hopefully it'll keep it in there. Apparently it's sliced on something. What I'm going to do, this slips over here. I'm going to use some of this Permatex Copper Ultra stuff to seal here and here. Just ignore this, this is where it's been in the shed, annoyingly, for the last 8 months. But it'll be alright. Hopefully we get like from the induction kit. Right, so exhaust is on. If anyone wants to buy a Corolla T Sport exhaust, comes with my gates, completely free.